Hey guys, and welcome back to Your Reviews. I'm thrilled to present to you the top 5 best underwater drones you can get your hands on this year. Whether you're an ocean enthusiast, a professional underwater photographer, or simply curious about the depths below, these drones offer unparalleled exploration opportunities. From cutting-edge technology to impressive underwater maneuverability, each drone on this list promises an unforgettable aquatic experience. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to stay updated on the latest reviews and recommendations. Let's dive in and explore the wonders beneath the waves together. Starting off our list at number 5 is the FIFISH V-EVO VR Underwater ROV Robot Diving Underwater Drone. This marvel of technology is equipped with a 4K fish finder and grabber arm, allowing you to capture breathtaking footage and unforgettable moments beneath the waves. With its upgraded camera system, the V-EVO delivers professional-class shots effortlessly, ensuring smooth and stunning visuals every time. Dive into a world of vivid colors and unparalleled clarity thanks to QYSE's self-developed imaging system, which reduces noise and enhances underwater vision. Plus, with intelligent imaging algorithms, say goodbye to pesky marine flakes interfering with your shots. Not to mention, the V-EVO comes with powerful 5000 lumens LED lights to illuminate even the darkest depths, ensuring nothing escapes your lens. Next up, at number 4, we have the FIFISH V6 Underwater Drone, an omnidirectional compact ROV that redefines underwater exploration. With its 360 degrees freedom in mobility, the V6 offers endless creative filming possibilities, allowing you to navigate the ocean with ease from the comfort of shore. Share your underwater adventures in real time and revolutionize fish farming with this versatile drone. With a 4K camera and 100 meters of cable spool, the V6 minimizes risks and maximizes productivity for commercial dives and operations, making it the ultimate underwater drone solution. Sliding into the third spot is the FIFISH V-EVO 4K underwater drone with robotic arm. This powerhouse combines a high frame rate camera with AI vision lock and 360 degrees movement for unparalleled underwater exploration. Dive deeper and longer with its hydrodynamic design, while its adaptive imaging system ensures crystal clear visuals in any environment. With AI vision lock, the V-EVO keeps your subjects in focus, while its ultra-bright LED lights restore colors even in the darkest waters. Whether you're a filmmaker, researcher, or enthusiast, the V-EVO is your ticket to unlocking the secrets of the deep. Coming in at number 2 is the Camoro 150M underwater drone, equipped with a 4K UHD action camera and real-time streaming capabilities. Capture stunning images and videos with its professional-grade camera and store them worry-free thanks to its 32 GB internal storage. With its watertight technology and anti-pressure materials, the Camoro can dive up to 150 meters, illuminating the underwater world with LED fill lights. Plus, its efficient propulsion system and full attitude control ensure smooth and stable movement in any direction, making it the perfect companion for fishing, diving, and exploration. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Chasing M2 Pro Professional Underwater Drone. Designed for professional users and industrial applications, the M2 Pro boasts omnidirectional movement, a maximum speed of 4 knots, and a depth rating of 200 meters. With its array of thrusters and compatibility with advanced attachments, the M2 Pro offers unmatched versatility and performance. Plus, its built-in 4K camera, LED lights, and removable battery make it a must-have tool for underwater exploration. In conclusion, whether you're a filmmaker, researcher, fish farmer, or enthusiast, there's an underwater drone out there to suit your needs. From the breathtaking footage of the FIFISH V-EVO to the industrial capabilities of the Chasing M2 Pro, these drones are pushing the boundaries of underwater exploration. So, grab your gear and get ready to dive into a world of endless possibilities.